Larson Electronics tripod-mounted explosion-proof LED light tower is approved for Class 1, Divisions 1 and 2, and is rated for use in wet and marine environments. The waterproof construction and LED lamp used with this unit provides operators with excellent power and economy coupled with high versatility and excellent durability. The light head is mounted on top of a 3-leg tripod fabricated from non-sparking powder-coated aluminum. This lighting system provides 8,500 square feet of work area coverage with 21,000 lumens of light output. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.